Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video, I'll show you how to make recipes using carrot. Carrot can be offered to babies post 6 months. Initially in the form of puree, it can be given later in the form of porridge. You can puree it and add it in porridge. Then you can make desserts using it. You can steam it and give it as a finger food. There are varied varieties of options that you can give. On our blog, you can check in detail on how it can be offered, and in this video I'll show you how to make multiple recipes from 6 months onwards for your baby. Now, to tell you the benefits about carrot, it is great in helping boosting the immunity. That is why it is generally a seasonal food during winter, because it helps safeguard ourselves, and if we are offering to babies from all the infections, cough, cold especially. And it has vitamin A, beta carotene as well. It is also something which helps in increasing blood platelets count. So why not include it in baby's diet? And if you can find a way with this video, why not? Let's dive right in and see the methods. Our first recipe of the day is carrot apple puree. This can be given to babies post 6 months. The ingredients are as shown below. Puree is very soft in consistency, and once you start solids, it's a very ideal form of food. And what more than making it at home? I'm taking the steamer basket. You can buy it on Amazon easily. The link is in the description box. Or you just can take a pan and add apple like this, chopped, and carrot finely chopped, because carrot takes more time than apple to cook, so I have kept it fine. Apple would anyways take few minutes, that's it. So we'll close the lid and cook it for a while until it's soft. Don't wait for it to become mushy. It can just be of this consistency that you're checking. Transfer it to a blender jar. Our favorite Wonder Chef blender jar this is for making purees or soups for babies. This is highly comfortable. The link is in the description box again. So I'll cover the lid of this, and we will now make a fine puree. You can blend it in a normal mixer jar as well, no worries. So this is the consistency. Transfer it to a bowl and it is ready to be served. Ensure that it is thick enough to sit on your finger. Do not make it watery or runny. The second recipe for the day is carrot suji upma. Now this is an ideal food for your child to try texture. At 6 months, yes, you can give upma, no worries at all. Just ensure that you cook it soft for younger babies. Now in a pan with rava in it, I'm roasting it for about 5 minutes. Keep it aside to cool it down. I'm adding ghee to the pan now. This is grated carrot. Fry it until it is soft and tender. We'll add turmeric powder and pepper powder now. Frying masala and vegetable in ghee adds it more flavor. Now roasted rava. This is wonderful for babies because, why should we cook upma separately? Why do we need a recipe for baby separately? Because it is important to cook baby food without salt. Now I have added salt, and this is to tell you that for babies over a year you can add salt. Otherwise it can damage their kidney. So it is not at all required for them. Not even a pinch of it or less than that. Carrot suji upma is all ready to be served. If you want it softer, add more water and cook a little longer. Third recipe is savory carrot oats. Now this is how it would look, and babies would really love the texture, the gooey texture here. In a pan, I'm adding ghee, and this is grated carrot. These are all very old videos on my channel. I'm clubbing it and making a combined video for your your understanding that what varieties you can make using one single ingredient, that is carrot, or I've made videos on oats, etc. So we fried it in ghee, added water, then oats, and we'll cover the lid and cook it for a while. After a few minutes, just give it a quick turn and again cook it for more time. It would look little runny now, any dalia for that matter, and once it cools down, it gets into this consistency. Fourth recipe of the day is carrot tomato soup. This is again a delicious soup. Children would love to have it, especially during winter. 8 months and above babies can have it. Ensure to not make it too runny while you make any soup. In a pan, I'm adding water, tomato, and finely chopped carrot. We shall cook it for about 3 whistles so that it turns out soft. Once done, you can take a hand blender and make a puree, or just transfer it to a mixer blender or mixer jar and blend it over. In a pan, I am adding butter. Once the puree is ready, we will transfer it here. Butter is ideal. Turmeric powder, pepper powder, and we will bring it to a boil and it is ready to be served. Ensure that it is thick enough for younger babies who are below an year. Over that, you can give it of any consistency. Carrot coins for 8 months and above babies. This is an ideal finger food for babies to pick it up and start eating on their own. This is superb. This has gone viral on our channel and most of them have loved this video. Now in a bowl, I am taking in all the ingredients I showed you. Gram flour, rice flour, carrot, pepper and salt. Gram flour is okay to be given to babies in moderate quantity. Every single ingredient is good. Do not fear that this can be harmful. Bring in all the ingredients together, add a little water to make it of a sticky dough consistency, and we will make coin size sticky now. Now, why would babies love? Because of color and the texture, baby would love to have it. You can have a grazing plate at home. You want me to make more finger food options and tell you what is it? Comment and let me know. I would love to make video on finger food, as it is a great way to introduce baby to eating on their own. Now in a pan, I'm adding it all with ghee. I'll cook it, flip it over and cook it on the other side too. This would not take very long time as well. On my channel, all are easy to make recipes because I understand how difficult it is for you. So here it is. On our channel, you can also find some more recipes collection like this. There is a oats recipe collection. Oats is something which is rich in fiber and great for babies. You can start it post 6 months only. There are porridge recipe, instant mix recipe which can be made by mixing hot water, and also a lot of savory dishes using oats that can be checked on our blog and also on the channel for the video. And you can also check our palak or spinach collection. Now spinach is something which is having a great laxative property, eases digestion. It is also rich in iron and definitely something which needs to be included in their daily diet. So check on a lot of porridge and soup recipes using palak. And at the last, you can check makhana recipes. These are something which can be, everyone knows how good it is for us, and it is good for babies as well. Watch that video to understand how good it is for them and how it can be used for baby food in porridge or finger food, and many more ideas you will get watching that video. I really hope you like this video, and on our organic baby food store you can find more such healthy options of porridge and instant mix for babies. For toddlers you can buy pancake mixes, cookies. You can even check granola and health drink mixes for yourself. So do check once our food store, and our products are also available on Amazon, FirstCry and other places. And on this channel I regularly post recipes which are helpful for you and your child, so do consider subscribing. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.